Madam, we will start.
Okay. So, Badodekar sir.
Yes, madam, please.
Okay. Good morning, respected dignitaries. I, Mrs. Pallavi Ahire, welcome you all on the National Level E-Summit on Emerging Trends in IT Business Application 2021. It's a summit having a prominent officials who are going to share their expertise. And it's a summit wherein we will be contributing the professionals from academics, from government, and from industry. We are very fortunate to have all the dignitaries today. STS advisory team, and we are having the guidance from Dr. M.S. Gaikwad sir, Campus Director, Sinhagad Institute of Technology, Lonavala, Dr. S.B. Lokhande sir, Principal, Sinhagad Institute, Vadgaon, Dr. A.V. Deshpande sir, Principal, SKN COE, Dr. S.P. Patil sir, Principal, NBEN SSOE, Pune, Dr. K.T. Patil, Principal, SAE Kondwa, Dr. S.D. Markande, Principal, SITS Naresh, Dr. V.V. Dakshit, Principal, RMD SSOE, Dr. M.S. Rohokale, Principal, SKN SITS Lonavala, Dr. S.D. Navle, Principal, Solapur Campus, and Dr. K.J. Karande sir, Principal, Pandharpur Campus. We have Dr. Shivaji Desai sir, who is the principal in B.Ed College Lonavala, Dr. Pradeep Nalavade sir, as a principal, Sinhagad Pharmaceutical Institute Lonavala, Dr. J.D. Desai sir, principal, Commerce Institute, Dr. Aisha Siddiqui madam, principal, Hotel Management, and Dr. N.K. Mishra, principal, Sinhagad Public School Lonavala. This particular program, E-Summit, is having program advisors as our respected Vice Principal Sir, Dr. D.D. Chaudhary, Vice Principal and Head of Department, ENTC, Professor S.M. Gaikwad Sir, Head of Department, Mechanical, Dr. S.D. Babar, Head of Computer Department, Dr. Kalage Sir, Head of Electrical Department, Professor R.S. Badodekar Sir, Head of IT Department, and Dr. P.S. Patil Sir, Head of Applied Science Department. We are having our organizing team as Professor Latne Sir, Professor G.M. Gaikwad Sir, Professor Kulkarni Madam, Professor K.S. Mulani Sir, Professor V.D. Raskar Sir, and Mr. Ranjit Sadhbhai. This summit is having technical partners as MBEL Technologies, Dynamistry, and Rucha. Along with that, we have media partners, Rajrang Times and Prabhat. We are very thankful to our technical partners and media partners. This is our department organizing team, who is consisting of all the professors from Department of Information Technology. Followed by that, we all want a blessings of Ma Saraswati. So we will have a lamp lighting and blessings of Saraswati Vandana.
Madam, no adding.
Okay. We are very sorry.
Share once again. Computer voice is not.
Yeah, you need to enable computer voice.
Before sharing, add device. Add
In audio, you have the option of
computer audio.
in computer audio enable.
I request Kulkarni Madam to kindly share the screen and please proceed.
No issue, ma'am. We are always blessed by Saraswati Ma. You can proceed.
Sir, please, just a moment. We're trying.
Screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes, madam. Screen is visible.
मैडम चला है
Yes, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, madam.
I directly speak, ma'am.
Yes, yes, madam, please.
Okay.
Yeah, please, please.
Yes. या कुंदेन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिर्देवे सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा निःशेषजाड्यापहा निःशेषजाड्यापहा. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, madam. Now, after blessings of Ma Saraswati, now we will announce that we have welcomed and inaugurated our e-summit. Thank you so much. The inauguration by Dr. Bayan Singh sir, Professor, IIT Kanpur. Now, followed by the ceremony, I request Dr. M.S. Gaikwad sir, Principal and Campus Director, Sinhagad Institutes, Lonavla, to accept our virtual bouquet and share your thoughts here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Very good morning and warm welcome to all of you. Indeed, it is my privilege and honor to welcome today's chief guest for this inauguration function, Dr. Y.N. Singh, Professor, IIT Kharagpur, Mr. Shailendra Vadile, Associate Consultant, TCS, Mr. Sandeep Mali, Senior Engineer Lead, Persistent System, Mr. Suresh Khule, Senior Quality Assurance Automation Engineer, UST Global Pune, Mr. Manoj Vadile, Senior Consultant Specialist, HSBC Software, Mr. Atul Pagare, Software Engineer, Janser Technologies, Mr. Vishal Narayankar, Assistant Consultant, TCS, Mrs. Saroj Dayal, Software Developer, TIAA GPS Private Limited. Also, today's esteemed resource persons, Mr. Tejasri Bari, Mr. Suresh Sushil Kumar, Mr. Ashutosh Srivastava, Mr. Manikant Roy, Mr. Yogesh Dahe, you are heartily welcomed on behalf of Department of Information Technology of SIT and Singhal Technical Education Society, Pune. Also, other dignitaries, principals of different colleges who have joined this inaugural function, Vice Principal of SIT, heads of all the departments, the members of the organizing committee, our associate and supporters, both media and technical wing, students clubs of the IT department, my faculty colleagues, and all dear participants. Once again, on behalf of SIT, I welcome you all for this prestigious e-summit. At the outset, I appreciate the efforts taken by the Department of Information Technology for organizing this national level e-summit on very important and current topics. E-summit on emerging trends in IT business applications. It's a pleasure to see they are not restricted just for the discussion on emerging trends, but the current technologies, emerging trends, and their applications pertaining to the private and government organizations. That is a good part of it. I said a lot of efforts are taken for last few days by all the organizing committee, and that is reflected in about 400 participants across the nation. They are going to take benefit of this e-summit. For last few years, we are talking about the emerging trends in information technology or in technology in general, I will say. A big list is there, but few important to mention. Artificial intelligence, IoT, machine learning, robotic process automation, edge computing, blockchain, quantum computing, virtual reality and augmented reality, and so on.